When I hop up out of bed, get my shine on, take a look in the mirror, say what's up, what's up, what's up, yeah, my poor body. Oh, I just finished. It's day 19 of insanity. You may have noticed that things are getting a little bit sporadic on my side because I am doing a lot of schoolwork and sometimes I just cannot find the time to do short. But the point is that I'm doing it. I might not be doing it exactly as it was laid out in the plan, but I'm doing it and I'm committed and it's gonna work. I want to find out now. You see when Sean tell you that you know the V push up something like where you double up your body like this and then the push off because that's something that's actually human possible. Sean say go into the plank and walk your feet in until you are uncomfortable. Well, then I should just stay in the plank because I'm very uncomfortable there. But now you actually want me to bend up. So did you take in the girl's shoulder? Like when she do the push up and you see every muscle in her shoulder do so. Yo, me that no, I'm never going to get there. I'm never going to get there. But I can hope. You cannot stop a girl from dreaming. Today, I was doing the globe jump then. Was it the globe jumps? Yes, the globe jump them. Alright. So usually when I'm doing the globe jumps, right? First of all, this is not a real thing that you should ask a person to do. But putting that aside, normally when I'm doing the globe jump them now, I try to pace myself because I said, Lord, I don't want to run out of steam. Today, I say, you know what? Go feed. I just run in on the globe jump them. I just jump hard for the first two, but it feel good because sometimes if you don't push yourself you don't know how far you can go. If you're always trying to hold back and pace yourself, like you don't actually know if maybe you could have go hard for all four of them until you push yourself. So I pushed myself and I actually went full steam into them for a lot longer than I thought. So I think I'm actually going to use that as my tactic for the first go through. By the time we're reaching at the second and third set, I am tired. And I'm not really pacing myself. I'm just now fatigued. My muscles are turning into rubber, okay? And they are melting. But I think I'm going to just try to go hard on exercise them because you just don't know. The other thing that I want to find out, this ball push-up something, but I'm supposed to come in a push-up position and then bend my knee, so, like see my hand them here, and then I'm supposed to bend my knee them between my hand them and then do a push-up. Where? My name E.T. My name Wally. 1 minute, me look like robot to you? Do I look like I'm made out of plastic? Am I a Chinese skip? Am I a bunch of rubber band that you have tied up together? Because I don't work like that. I cannot balance on my toe and do a push-up at the same time, Shanti. So you know what I do? I do tricep dips. Look here. Only can't follow the something them as Sean prescribe them, You have to try. Try to do the something them as him prescribe them. And if you can do it, do it. But you see, if you can't do it, do a version. Just do a version. If I'm supposed to do tricep and you can't do the tricep someday, do a next one. If you might try to all kind of walking push up, do some plank walk. If you can't walk, just stay in the plank. Stay in the plank. And yeah, just do what you have to do. Because the point is to get there, but don't assume that you are supposed to be there. Them people, they're in an insanity fit group, and one girl a spinning instructor, the other one a run marathon. You know what I am? I'm a 29-and-a-half-year-old woman who don't work out. I don't feel committed to do all the things as if them do that. I just feel committed to do what I can do. It's all about me. Everybody who is working out, big ups to yourself. Keep on working out. If you stop, start back. Simple plan. If you stop, just don't wait too long and start back. Please check out my blog. It is getfitbitch.tumblr.com, and I just launched a Facebook page for my other blog. I think if you go to Facebook/pages/MooreTalkJa, that's MooreTalkJa, you should get to me. I have not actually checked this, so perhaps I am wrong. If I am, I will update you in the next post. Anyways, I will see you tomorrow where we are doing diametric cardio circuits. But poor man.